Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make mashed potatoes. The ingredients that you will need are some potatoes. You can use Idaho or russet potatoes, some milk, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. You will also need salt, black pepper, garlic salt, and parsley flakes. Start by washing your potatoes thoroughly and then start peeling them. When you are done peeling all the potatoes, go ahead and give it a quick wash, and then you're going to cut them into bite-sized pieces. Make sure that they are about the same size so that they could cook evenly. Place the potatoes into a pot and then cover with water. Add about a teaspoon of salt and then bring to boil. Let the potatoes cook for about 20 to 25 minutes or until soft. In a small saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of butter on low heat. Once the potatoes have been cooked and are soft, go ahead and drain the potatoes and place them back into the pot. Once the butter has melted, add 1 cup of milk and then stir to combine. Now you can start mashing the potatoes using a potato masher. Then add in the butter mixture a little bit at a time until you get the right consistency. Continue stirring. Next, add in some salt and pepper to taste. And now you are ready to plate. To top it off, you may add some garlic salt and parsley flakes to the potatoes. And this is optional, but you may add a thin slice of butter to the center of your potatoes. And that's it. Enjoy!